What up, A.O.K Mafia? It's your boy Artofkickz, and just like that, we back with another one. Alright, so y'all, we in for a special treat because I got a fan submission right here, man. This dude right here was the very first person to cop some merch off the website. Before the website even went live, he literally bought a shirt the day I was creating the website. I wasn't even done with the website. Somehow he found it. I hadn't even put it out there, had given no one the link. I had literally just started building the website and was starting to put the product on there, and this dude had already found and placed an order, and he just so happens to live in Georgia as well, which I thought, yo, that was crazy. That was cool, because I woke up the next morning and with the email from him saying, yo man, look, this is Ben. I just recently bought one of your shirts off of the website. I'm pretty sure I was the first person to order one because of the number of my order, and I don't think you released the website yet, so hey. I was like, okay, cool, dude. Like, I'll send it to you as soon as I finish building this website. But anyway, man, so he went on ahead and did the first unboxing and everything of him getting the shirt. And so he made a little video and put it together for us and sent it to me. So we're about to check this out, man. Look, I'm about to see what's up with this. I'm excited. I actually met him. I've been planning on doing this video a long time ago, but I've been so busy. But I actually met him earlier this week when I went to the Tom McDonald and Struggle Jennings concert. Shout out to Tom. He got one of my shirts. Shout out to Struggle. Wouldn't even let me give him a shirt. He was like, bro, whenever I get on your website, they're sold out, but I'm going to get on there. You say you got some more in, I'm going to get on there and I'm going to cop. There's a couple that I want. But yes, shout out to Struggle, man, for supporting your boy. I think that's cool as heck. But I love that y'all love the merch, man. I love that y'all love the shirts, and yeah, they feel good. They're comfortable. I love wearing them out. They look so clean and fresh, and it's something different. It's something a little different, something with a meaning to it. And we're about to get into this thing, man. All right, this video is titled, I bought the very first A.O.K shirt before launch. And I guess he's doing a little reaction to me. He says why I support Artofkickz. This is pretty cool. All right, y'all ready? Let's get into this thing. Let's go.
My Artofkickz shirt is in the mail. My Artofkickz shirt is in the mail. Can't wait to get home.
He is happy.
I can't wait to get home.
A few minutes later.
Bro.
Uh-oh. There you go.
It's here.
Stupid.
Excuse the sound of the cars passing by. The first Artofkickz merch.
He's
A little longer than a few minutes later.
a little longer.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm just kidding. You have no idea who I am. My name's Ben. I love YouTube. I like reaction videos. And one of my most favorite reaction channels is my boy Artofkickz.
Woo! That's
Let me
me!
tell you a story. I saw a post about a week ago that my boy was going to launch some merch.
Yep.
And one of the first things he was going to launch was t-shirts.
Yep.
Well, the day after, I found his website. Keep in mind, this is well before the time he launched and revealed what the web address was. And
For real, I was tripping.
I reached out to him via email.
Yep, they go to email.
Let him know, hey, you know, I want to be supportive of what you do. I really appreciate your content.
I appreciate you, brother.
And I bought the first t-shirt.
Thank
Order
you.
number 1. So, you know, he replied. He thanked me, you know, for the support. He didn't think anybody would find the website, but your boy did. So I got it in the mail today, on Friday, the day he's going to release.
Why would you want to touch my nuts like that?
For his subscribers to actually
I just come over to see what you're doing.
Why you gotta put your nuts all up in my face like that?
Okay, my nuts was in your face. Okay,
Excuse me, Ben. Hold on, I'll get back to you in a second.
Does this look like it's in your face?
What do you want? Where you coming from? Where you been going so long? I missed you. Psych. Get out of my face!
Sure.
Where'd you go to this morning?
I'm gonna go give me something to eat. What's that? Where'd you get that from?
Boston Market.
Why?
I was on the way back from that way anyway.
What'd you go down that way for?
I went to go to Kroger to see this chick that I met online.
At Kroger?
She works. She's a produce manager at Kroger. There's that. I was told you that I had the second plan. So, because she
Was she Hispanic?
No, she's black.
You and these black girls, like it's black season for you.
No, she is good looking.
Okay.
She's very skinny. She has
Oh,
nothing.
No
up here.
boobies.
It's like
Then the
she
grab
has a
on too.
nice little firm butt. I mean, she seems nice. I prefer the
She's
other.
shallow.
No, I prefer the other girl, but because I was talking, everything seems good. What's made to turn off from her is she don't really travel that much because she can't with her job. Well,
How old is she?
she's 28.
What site did you meet her on?
Match. She has a phobia of ocean because of sharks.
Oh, you need to let her go. You need to let her go.
See here,
That's an issue when traveling.
because travel is a big thing with me.
Right.
I mean, she seems nice and all. I might give her. I'm gonna give her maybe. She's like, "You're good luck to try to get me in the water because my parents have tried, my family's tried, my friends tried."
That's an issue. She sounds like she'll let her kids drown.
Huh?
I said she sounds like she'll let her
she
kids
loves to go
drown.
to the beach, but she'll sit on the sand.
Yeah, that's what
Like,
I'm
has
saying.
she won't even go on a boat. She gets sickness.
You gotta let me see what she looked like. That's interesting.
I'm like, so she's second on the list. First is on the list is this other girl. So
Yeah.
because I was talking to her most of the time about traveling. So
All right, y'all, we back.
Subscribers to actually go and buy this merch. And from my understanding, it's a limited run of 100 shirts.
Yep, that was the first run. Second run is limited run of maybe 200. I think 200.
So this is pretty exciting. I wanted to make a video so that he'll see it, and really just wanted to show my support for his channel. And I want to show a few clips of some of the stuff he's reacted to. So I hope you enjoy these.
Uh-oh, I don't know what this is, but I think I might cut out something if it's music related because y'all know this channel's been hurting as far as monetization. Y'all know this video won't get a whole lot of views, but at the same time, I don't want to get hit by any more claims right now. I'm over it. Hey, close that door, please.
huh?
Close the door in there for a second.
You shut up. You got something to say? Say it.
I'm busy. I'm trying to say nothing to your ugly ass. Let's hear this.
I know that I'm strong.
Yo, already, man, I like what he's saying, bro. Off the rip, talking about, yo, for one, he feel like he can't get no better. No, you can always grow. You can always grow. You should never feel like you're static. But at the same time, he's confident still in his abilities, and he's already successful. He's already gotten to that pinnacle, that point that I guess he wanted to get to in his life. And I guess he doesn't feel that he can top that.
See, I guess, yeah. See, this is how we do, man. We like to have the conversations, man. What are these artists talking about, man? Let's talk about it too. Tom McDonald, Sad Rappers.
What is this? He's talking about a whole nother genre of rap that I just haven't. Dang, I haven't even dug deep into this part of rap right now. You know, we got these depressed rappers. You know, these sad rappers just rapping about.
I was a little bit skinnier right here. Your boy been eating like a motherfucker, boy.
Man, this is on a whole nother level from Tom McDonald.
So those are just a few of the ones that I like. There's so many more that I like. There's just so much I can't show them right now. But please go check out Artofkickz. That's with a Z. Artofkickz. Artofkickz. Go look at his reaction channel. Y'all ready to see this shirt?
Let's see it, bro.
Open it up for you.
Let's see it.
Package number 1 sent out by Artofkickz right here. I'm going to cover my address, but as you can see, well, maybe you can see Artofkickz right there. I am number one. Again, this is Friday, but he's going to be releasing the web address. So let's open it up. Thank you so much, Ben, for ordering the first shirt. This is going to be in reverse because I'm using the camera view on my phone, or the rear view on my phone, just so I can see myself, because I don't have a fancy camera, and I want to make sure that... Thank you so much, Ben, for ordering the first shirt. You can kind of... you can see the reverse of that, so...
This is cool to watch, though. Somebody getting excited about opening it up. And I be feeling it when y'all be sending me pictures, when y'all get the merch and y'all open it, I be feeling it, like, the energy from when y'all, like, open it up and how excited y'all be. Like, that just so dope to me, man. Oh, it makes me feel good. Glad that y'all like it so much.
The very first Artofkickz.
Woo! My first shirts, bro.
Boom, son. Look at that.
That was the black with the white print. Y'all know we got them now, like black with the gray print. I don't have any more of those. Those were in the first 100 run. We might not ever get those back, but with the new ones, it don't say speak your truth. It says speak the truth, and it don't just say A.O.K on the sleeve. On the other sleeve, it says Mafia. Those are exclusive. The black and the white ones are exclusive for the Mafias only, man. And they both got gray print, though. That's dope, bro. I like this. This is cool.
Boom, son. Look at that. It says, speak your truth, it's A.O.K. And one of the reasons I wanted to support Artofkickz, and I loved this shirt, is because of that message right there.
And he actually wore the shirt to the concert, which was dope as heck. And it looked good on him, too.
Artofkickz. And I loved this shirt is because of that message right there. No matter what you believe, as long as you're not some kind of racist or dirtbag, you know, you got some hateful views and stuff, then I'd rather you not speak your truth. But, you know, you got the First Amendment right to do so in America. But it doesn't mean everybody's going to like you for it. But speak your truth. It's A.O.K. You know, that right there is, it spoke a million words to me. And I love the fact that he incorporated A.O.K, Artofkickz, into the shirt. It's A.O.K, speak your truth. And of course, one of his artists that he actually, not his, but one of the artists that he reacts to a lot is Tom MacDonald. And I would say that Tom MacDonald's message is definitely to speak what you believe and don't be ashamed of it. So I just wanted to show that my appreciation for Artofkickz and his content and his channel. And I'm really going to enjoy rocking this shirt. In fact, I'm going to put it on right now. I'll be right back.
And I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you for rocking with me. Woo!
Right,
look at that, you good?
Speak your truth.
Hey.
Okay.
Clean.
Seriously, thank you, Artofkickz, for your wonderful content and what you put out there in the world. What I really love about your channel is the fact that you explain the lyrics and how they apply to your life. You don't just sit there going, dope. Man, that was fire.
Exactly, bro. I had to, man, because that was one thing I always felt that a lot of reaction channels were lacking and missing were substance. You know, the music we react to is substance, so why not apply your own substance to the content as well? And yeah, I felt like when I came into it, a lot of other channels started stepping their game up. And I'm not gonna call anyone out, but I done looked at about 5 or 6 of the other top channels, and they're all starting to implement substance into their reactions as well, rather than saying, oh, that was cool, that was dope, fire, bars, blah, bye, hey, you like it, go, subscribe. Come on now.
And how they apply to your life. You don't just sit there going, dope, man, that was fire. Did you hear those bars? You know, you actually go in deep, and you even reveal some of your own insecurities and things that, you know, you've dealt with in the past. And I want to say, you know, thank you for that. It's kind of a breath of fresh air in the YouTube world. So, you know, there's nothing fake about Artofkickz. Go buy his merch. Get you an Artofkickz shirt. For big boys like me, I got 2X. You may want to go ahead and get you a 3X. But as you can see, this shirt's fire.
Fits good.
Even got it right there on the sleeve. A.O.K.
And it fits a little big
Go
too.
buy it, guys. Peace.
It fits a little big too. That was dope, bro. That was dope. Yes, sir. I appreciate that, Ben. That was cool, man. I enjoyed that. But yeah, so y'all, for the month of October, this is my birthday month. Free shipping across the whole U.S. Free shipping on the website, artofkickz.com. Link is going to be down below. Ben, thank you again. This is awesome. And we also got breast cancer awareness shirts on there too for the ladies. V-neck pink. Those are on the website too. Free shipping all across the U.S. But dang, that was, man, I enjoyed that, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed it. This is a little bit something different. And y'all know what to do now. Hit that like button for your boy. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more. As always, the link to the video is going to be down in the description box below. If you haven't already, follow your boy on the gram and Twitter at Artofkickz. My camera's about to stop recording, so I had to do this now. To the next one.